Hi everyone, welcome to our first All Together story time. I'm Miss Jessica from the Levittown Public Library. I'm here today to tell you a really fun winter story about one of our favorite winter animals, and that is a bear. Bears are one of the animals that hibernate during the winter, and our story about this particular bear is all about a bear who falls asleep and all of his friends come to join him, and we have to find out if Bear wakes up to have fun with his friends. So I'm reading today with permission from Simon & Schuster Books. This is called Bear Snores On. It's written by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Jane Chapman. And there's a whole series of bear books by Karma Wilson. So if you enjoyed this one, there are plenty others that we have that you might enjoy as well. So you should come in and take a look. Okay. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter-tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. That is one tired bear. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Do you guys know what's another name for a hare? How about a rabbit or a bunny, right? "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Yummy. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. He is not waking up. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look at all of the fun they're having. Hare stokes a fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear. What do you think? What happens if you get pepper in your nose? Oh, has that ever happened to you? Let's see. It makes the bear, achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Let's see what happens. And the bear wakes up. Does he look happy or mad? He looks pretty mad, right? Bear gnarls. And he snarls. Bear roars, and he rumbles. Bear jumps, and he stomps. Bear growls, and he grumbles. Uh-oh, they all look scared now. Oh no, you've snuck in my lair, and you've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers, and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Ah, there we go. That's a happy bear now. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. Wasn't that a fun story all about how great friends are and the importance of bears getting all of their rest that they need? So now that you guys have been so good and patient, you've listened to the story, why don't we do a movement activity together? If you've been sitting, make sure you stand up and give yourself enough room. So I'm going to move my chair all the way back so I have plenty of space. And you guys can just follow along with me. Here comes Big Bear. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Here comes Big Bear. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, Big Bear. Now, if we have a big bear, we also have to have a little bear. Here comes Little Bear. Tip, tap, tip. Tip, tap, tip. Tip, tap, tip. Here comes Little Bear. Tip, tap, tip. Tip, tap, Little Bear. Good job, everyone. Give yourselves a hand. Thank you so much for joining me today for All Together Story Time, and I hope I see you next time. Bye.